Are you feeling discouraged during your job search? Don't worry, because today I'll share with you some tips on how to stay positive. First, it's important to remember that job searching takes time, so be patient. Set small, achievable goals for yourself each day, like networking or updating your resume. Stay organized by keeping track of the jobs you apply to, using a spreadsheet or a job search app. Take breaks and do things you enjoy to avoid burnout and maintain a positive mindset. Seek support from friends, family, or a job search support group to vent and share experiences. Remember to take care of yourself both mentally and physically by eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep. Challenge negative thoughts by reframing them with positive affirmations and beliefs. Develop a routine that incorporates self-care activities like meditation, journaling, or practicing gratitude. Celebrate small victories along the way, like getting an interview or receiving positive feedback. Thanks for watching. Best luck. Follow www.constructionplacements.com